Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to Crypto Vista Hub, your go-to channel for all things blockchain and crypto. Today, we've got some exciting news from the world of GameFi that's bound to capture the attention of meme lovers and gamers alike. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest crypto developments. Now, let's dive into today's topic, Meme Alliance, the GameFi ecosystem that's reshaping the gaming landscape. Meme Alliance, a GameFi ecosystem currently in development, has a fascinating mission: to connect meme communities in one epic ecosystem. Imagine iconic characters like PEPE, SHIB, Volt, Doge, Elmo, and many more battling it out, creating alliances through networking. The driving force behind Meme Alliance is the experienced ElmoERC team, boasting over 15 years of expertise in various crypto projects. They've got the skills and know-how to make this project a success. The flagship game of Meme Alliance is a high-quality, on-chain, first-person shooter developed in Unreal Engine 5. Picture this: communities like PEPE, SHIB, Bone, Elmo, Volt, and others duking it out in an epic battle for victory and rewards. On-chain integrations include a Wallet Connect feature and an in-game and web browser-based marketplace. Plus, it's a true play-to-earn game, with players earning multiple tokens through competitions. But wait, Meme Alliance is not just your typical FPS game. It comes with unique features that allow communities to play the lottery, support burning their currency, and use reward pools through staking. Additional staking pools will be provided, giving players the opportunity to earn other meme coins such as PEPE, SHIB, Bone, or Leash. This ecosystem truly provides strong utility to multiple projects at once. Let's take a look at the roadmap. In Phase 1, the ElmoERC team will start developing maps, characters, weapons, and assets, alongside the launch of the MMA token. They'll establish strong partnerships in GameFi and launch Open Beta V1. As we move into Phase 2 and 3, we'll see on-chain integration, marketplace development, competition modes, and partnerships with streaming services like Twitch. Phase 4 aims to expand with more game modes, maps, assets, characters, and even the development of a first-person shooter on mobile. The goal? To expand the brand through the development of more games. Now, let's talk tokens. The main tokens of the Meme Alliance ecosystem are Elmo and MMA. These native tokens mean lower USD value for MMA and Elmo compared to other tokens. The Meme Alliance token, MMA, is not only the GameFi token for the FPS game but also serves additional utility through rewards/staking pools. And speaking of staking, get ready for a unique staking pool where you can stake MMA and receive different meme coins in return. Think PEPE, SHIB, and more. These staking pools are dynamic, with no specific staking period, and the APY depends on the amount of tokens in the pool and amount staked. And there you have it, folks, Meme Alliance, the GameFi ecosystem connecting meme communities, a first-person shooter, and a unique staking experience. What are your thoughts on this exciting project? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your crypto buddies, and stay tuned for more updates. This is Mia signing off from Crypto Vista Hub. Until next time, keep exploring the crypto universe.